Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand label design in Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop and load your brand label design file. Ensure that you have a high-resolution image for the best results. Select the Layers panel to view your existing layers. Identify the layer that contains your label design. Right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows for non-destructive editing of your design. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail in the Layers panel. A new window will open with the contents of your Smart Object. Here, you can make adjustments to your design without affecting the original layer. Use the selection tools to modify elements of your label as needed. Apply any design changes such as color, text, or graphics. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, save your work. Simply go to File and select Save to update the changes in the main document. Close the Smart Object window to return to your main project. Your label design will automatically update with the changes made. If necessary, use layer effects to enhance the appearance of your label. Adjust properties such as shadows, glows, or strokes to add depth. Review your design to ensure everything looks cohesive and aligns with your brand. Finally, save your main document to preserve all updates. You have now successfully restored your brand label design using Smart Layers in Photoshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.